Welcome to the channel. In this video, we will discuss about Commvault's immutable backups. Immutable backups in Commvault are designed to ensure that once backup data is written, it cannot be modified, deleted, or tampered with, for a defined retention period. This is a critical feature for compliance, ransomware protection, and data integrity. So what are immutable backups? Immutable backups are backup copies that cannot be altered or deleted until their retention period expires. The purpose is to protect against accidental deletion, malicious attacks, for example, ransomware, and ensures regulatory compliance. How does immutability mechanism in Commvault works? Commvault uses worm, write once, read many, storage lock, and compliance lock. Once worm storage lock is enabled, data written to the storage cannot be modified or deleted until the retention period ends. The compliance lock is a software-level lock that prevents destructive actions, like deletion, retention reduction, within the Commvault interface. You can say worm storage lock is hardware-level, physical protection, and compliance lock is a software-level, logical protection. You need to keep in mind, once worm is enabled, it is irreversible. Platforms and storage types that supports worm. Worm storage mode is supported for various cloud storage vendors, like Amazon S3, S3 compatible, Google Cloud Storage, Microsoft Azure, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure etc. For disk libraries, worm storage mode is supported for various vendors, like HP Store Once, Commvault HyperscaleX, and other supported disk platforms. For snapshots, worm storage mode is supported for various vendors, like NetApp, Infinidat, and other supported arrays. For the list of supported vendors you can go through Commvault website. Key concepts and considerations while considering immutable backups. Retention period. This defines the duration for which data remains immutable, and it is set in days. Extended retention is not supported for immutable snapshots. Do note, once set, retention cannot be reduced. Deduplication and immutability. DDB stores unique data blocks. With worm, macro pruning occurs at the DDB level, not individual objects. Object-level locking allows granular retention for each object, optimizing storage. Compliance and security. Combination of worm and compliance lock ensures neither storage nor Commvault administrators can delete or modify backups during retention. Let's discuss how to configure immutable backups. For cloud storage, for example, Amazon S3, Azure, Google Cloud, create or configure cloud storage bucket or container. Enable object lock, or bucket lock, as required by the vendor, and assign necessary permissions, for example, put object retention for S3. Once done, configure worm storage lock in Commvault. In Command Center, go to Storage, and then Cloud. Select the cloud storage. Enable worm storage lock, and set the retention period. Confirm and apply. Once done it is irreversible. You can create the cloud library using CommCell console as well. After the disk library is created, it is time to associate storage policy or plan. Create a deduplicated storage policy, and link the immutable storage to the required storage policy or plan. Once the storage policy is created, you can perform test backups and restores. Run backup jobs, and after that attempt restores, to verify data integrity and immutability. In the similar way, for disk libraries, first enable immutability on storage, for example, HP Store Once, HyperScaleX. For HP Store Once, set the ISV controlled data immutability retention to exceed Commvault retention. For Hyperscale X, use the enabled retention lock workflow. Follow similar steps as cloud storage to configure worm storage lock in Commvault for disk libraries. Verify immutability by checking that data cannot be deleted or modified before retention expiry. You can test it by trying to delete a job made by using immutable storage policy or plan. Ask or try something like modifying a file on physical storage to see if it's immutable or not. Let's discuss some best practices. Plan retention carefully, because immutability is irreversible. Set retention to meet compliance and business needs. Ensure storage and Commvault retention settings align. For example, HPE Store 1's ISV retention must exceed Commvault retention. Perform test restores to ensure data is protected and accessible. Make it a part of your yearly periodic review. If restores are slow, especially from immutable storage, review storage performance and consult support if needed. Monitor storage consumption, because immutability can increase storage usage, especially with deduplication and macro pruning. Use multiple storage policies if you need different retention or immutability for different backup types, for example, daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly. We will end this video here. Stay tuned to the channel for more videos. Please hit the like button if you like this video, and subscribe to our channel if not already done so. Thank you. Do subscribe for more videos.